Hello, everybody. My name is Samanta Orellana, and I am a PhD student at Arizona State University. Today, I am going to present a little bit about my work promoting the digitization of Latin American entomological collections using Symbiota portals. Well, I am from Guatemala, so I am Latin American, but I am currently based in Arizona at the ASU Biocollections. As a part of my research here, I am in charge of processing and digitizing entomological specimens using the Symbiota portal Digitize, managed by the bioinformatics team here at ASU. While I was learning about the digitization process in this portal, it became obvious that it was a great solution to digitize the collections in my home country and other Latin American countries. And why is that? Well, Ecdysis and the rest of the Symbiota portals are open access and free to use. Also, these portals are really easy to use and have all the necessary features to facilitate the collections management. As an extra benefit for Latin America, most of Ecdysis is now available in Spanish. So, by January of this year, we made the first attempt to digitize an entomological collection from Guatemala. This was the collection at Del Valle University, led by Dr. Jack Schuster, an American entomologist and a world authority in pasalids, and by Dr. Jichiro Yoshimoto, a Japanese entomologist also based in Guatemala. With several collaborators and students involved, the whole process was relatively easy to start, and a couple of months later, the collection has most of its type material online. There is still a long way to go with more than 100,000 specimens yet to be digitized, but this is a good start. Del Valle collection even has a GBIF profile now, which makes it the only Guatemalan entomological collection in this platform. After this successful attempt in Guatemala, collections from other Latin American countries also started to join Ecdysis. For example, entomologist Jairo Mora from the University of Costa Rica in Guanacaste is starting a regional entomological collection focused on insects of agricultural importance, and is now using Ecdysis to digitize it. Entomologists Joseph Aguirre and Tomás Rios from the University of Chiriquí in Panama are now also using Ecdysis to digitize their aquatic insects collection. At this point, there was no doubt that Ecdysis was a very useful tool for Latin American entomologists, so I began to promote its use even more. I made a series of virtual talks and workshops to help more people to learn how to use Symbiota, mainly in Guatemala. However, it suddenly became something international thanks to social media and academic social networking on ResearchGate. The Symbiota portals became so useful in Guatemala that Ed Gilbert designed a Symbiota portal exclusive for the country. It now contains 3 entomological collections plus 14 collections of other groups. The other 2 entomological collections from Guatemala are both from San Carlos University, one based in Guatemala City, led by Dr. Enio Cano, and the other one in the regional campus of Zacapa, in charge of Dr. Manuel Barrios. So, by October, we had 5 new Latin American entomological collections online, thanks to the Symbiota portals. We are really happy with the results, and we are still waiting for collections from other Latin American countries to join the portal. This is a very important step in the inclusion of local curators in entomological research. Finally, I want to thank all the team of the ASU Biocollections for their support, especially to my PI, Dr. Nico Franz, and to Ed Gilbert for creating the Guatemala portal and for giving us access to the other Symbiota portals. Also, thanks to all the Latin American institutions, curators, and students involved for their support. And thanks to you for your attention. If you have any comments or questions, I'll be really happy to answer them now. Thank you very much.